Welcome to Cloud9 Group. Want to be part of Cloud9 Group? Join us for your success. Step into your future with a Cloud9 membership. You'll get innovation, leading-edge systems, turnkey solutions, training and support, all in one place. Open your own accounting practice in 7 days by joining Cloud9 Group. So, is Cloud9 for you? Cloud9 membership is for you if any or a similar situation applies to you from the following. You would like to start your own accounting firm but don't have the resources. You would like to supplement your income and need tax agent support to review your accountancy or bookkeeping services and lodge your client's tax obligations with the ATO. You would like to increase your current revenue streams by offering a wider range of accounting, advisory, and financial services to your clients with expert support. You would like to attain your tax agent status in the future. You would like to automate your existing business practices and move it to the cloud. You would like your accounting practice to run on low overheads and minimal capital investment. You would like to become the modern proactive accountant the clients seek today. You need a trusted partner to take your business to the next level. Look no further. Under our tax agent umbrella, you will never be left out in the rain.